All aboard, it's Jang here with a look at a Playmobil Direct Service Range set, so something you have to order directly from them. This is called Two Construction Workers. Now this small set has its roots very firmly planted in the very beginning of Playmobil itself. There was something very similar to this that was released. It was the first construction, or one of the first construction related sets that Playmobil ever did, and in fact, if you look in this wheelbarrow here, you look down in the base of it, see what that says? See if I can get this to properly focus. 1974 copyright. It's the exact same piece coming out of the same mold, or at least a direct copy of the same mold that's been around since the inception of Playmobil as a thing at all. Comes with the Two Construction Workers, as the name suggests, but the main thing here is this cement mixer, just a small worksite cement mixer, which actually works. You can rotate the drum of it up and down over here, and then on the other side there's a crank that can be turned, and that actually causes it to spin. So if you put just a little bit of small material in there, you can actually spin it up and see it kind of mixing in there. Has a couple of tires there, and then they also include a number of tools to go with your figures. So there's a shovel and a pickaxe and some, I forget the names of these just offhand, but they're used for smoothing out concrete when you're creating pavement or sidewalk. A saw here, which can actually be used by two figures together, a saw that can be used by a single figure, and then this is a level, and you might want to use the level as part of your efforts of actually setting up the concrete or the pavement or whatever that's actually being smoothed out over here, so you can make sure that's level. And just a small bucket is included as well. And you already saw the wheelbarrow, which can also be held by figures, and it can be rolled around because it has a real rubber tire on the bottom. Here's a closer look at the Two Construction Workers that actually give the little set its name. A little bit of difference between these two. As always, Playmobil likes to change things up. I appreciate that. And these each have nice prints, respectable. I think the guy on the left has a little bit strange print with the high visibility stripes on the pants, you know, down at the base. I don't know if that fits in perfectly well with the theme, but they look fine. And yeah, I appreciate the differences, and I think each one looks like they would fit into any kind of construction scene pretty well. Yeah, I like it. It's a small set, you know, there's really not a whole lot going on here, and it's very straightforward. What you see is what you get. But I really appreciate the history behind this and just how they continue to be able to use things that are so old and they still seem pretty current. You know, it just shows the timelessness of so much of what Playmobil has created over the years. If you have any thoughts that you would like to share about this, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be talking to you again very soon.